Hey, how's it going? Welcome to A Breeze in the Pines. Ready for some hiking on the Ice Age Trail? Good morning. Back on the Ice Age Trail. We are at the terminus of the Bear Lake segment, and now we have a road walk about 5.7 miles. So about half of it is a road walk into Haugen, and then we pick up the Wild River Trail, a bike and ATV trail, to the Tuscobia Trail. Ice Age National Scenic Trail. And this is the parking area. Can you spot the bike in there? So we'll be walking past the Phillips Boy Scout camp in just a little bit. The trail itself we'll kind of skirt through that. Well, apparently I left my X4 and my bag of batteries in the car. So I got one battery for the 6 miles. The Ace Pro 2 does pretty good on batteries, better than the GoPro actually. So we'll make it with one battery, or we may be using the iPhone at the end. This is Cub World for the mini Boy Scouts. I can say that because I was one. Eagle Scout actually. I am Order of the Arrow also. I think Brotherhood, whatever the second level is. It's been a long time. Camp Phillips. No hunting or shooting. There are scouts hiking and camping through the woods all year long. As there should be. Bohemian Rhapsody National Cemetery. Alright, we're doing 2.7 miles, got 3 to go. And it's a nice convenient spot to take a break. Here's lunch and a 0-carb tortilla. Just bought a 12-pack of water at the village grocery because my water bladder's leaking and it made me upset. A very nice lady inside has a log book that hikers sign. I did end up getting a 12-pack of bottles. So I grabbed 4 and I'll come back when I pick up the bike and get the rest of them. Oh look, a spam call. I know it's a spam call because the phone rang.
3rd Street turns slightly left and becomes Bracklet Street.
People know I don't answer the phone. There's our trailer right here. BSS bar. The store is right there. Very convenient. Yeah, we should be on this for about 2.5 miles. Highway SS. Oh. For the record, it was supposed to be storming all day today, as of a couple days ago. So I wasn't sure I was going to get this hike in. It was supposed to rain overnight and through tomorrow, but we shall see. It's the first of, I believe, 2 road crossings. .26 3/4 Avenue. That's either, I think that's 63 over there. We'll be crossing under that in a little bit. Little stream down there. Quite a ways down. Okay, my watch tells me I've done 5 miles. About 0.7 to go. .26 Avenue, Wild River Trail Mile 94. That's a long trail. Okay, battery just died. We're almost there, so it doesn't really matter. Something's broken down. Kind of tired. Been a long week. I don't know if I can go on. Oh, never mind. My trailhead's right here. There's a car right across the road there. Well, apparently I forgot to close out the video. That was the connector route between the Bear Lake segment and the Tuscobia State Trail. About 2.7 miles. Did a bike shuttle up and hiked back. That puts me at a total of 101.1 miles on the Ice Age Trail. So I'm officially a 100-miler. Well, there's not really such a thing as that. Only what, 1,053 miles to go? At 1 week a year, it's going to be a while. But retirement's coming up in 5 or 6 years, so I'll spend more time doing that. So Thursday and Friday, I stayed at the Doolittle Park in Birchwood, right at the end of the Tuscobia segment. And I was pulling out to do the intro video. I met a hiker. I was actually hiking into the campground. She ended up being on the site next to me, Cindy. So it was nice to be able to talk to somebody about the trail. You see so few hikers on the trail. Well, anyway, enjoy Wisconsin. It's 96 degrees here in northwest Arkansas today. I don't know why I came back. Okay, so that is it for the week. I did 31.1 miles hiking, 34.6 miles bike shuttling. So what's next? Well, last week of September, I had vacation time. I wanted to come back to Wisconsin and do Grassy Lake, Bear Lake, and the connector from Southern Blue Hills to the Chippewa Moraine segment. But I'm going to save that for next year. I'm going to go back to Georgia and continue plugging away at the Appalachian Trail. Hope to see you then. Thanks for hiking with me as always. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. And we'll see you down the trail. Blaze on.